Today is Rico Milazzo's birthday, February 24th. He was the greatest mentor to me in life as a musician, as a human. He taught me so much. It would take me hours to explain everything he taught me and all the great values he instilled in me. I met him when I was 17. And the one thing I wanted to share, when I was a teenager, I thought progressive rock music was the only music that was good. I would say everything else sucks, and he would always correct me and say there's no such thing as terrible music because it's subjective, right? So if something you listen to does something to you emotionally or makes you feel a certain way, then that's great, no matter what. And so that's the number one message he taught me. Happy birthday, Rico. I love you. Heaven, I know that's where you are. You're a beautiful soul.